Ireland. Ireland is landing in North Atlantic Ocean in northwestern Europe. It is separated from Great Britain to its east by the North Channel and Irish Sea and Kerguelen Channel. Ireland is second largest island of the British Isles, the third largest in Europe and the 20th largest in the world. Geopolitically, this land is recorded between the Republic of Ireland, officially named Ireland, and independent state covering 5/6 of the island, Ireland and Northern Ireland, which is the part of United Kingdom as of 2022. The population of the entire island is just over 7 million, with 5.1 million living in the Republic of Ireland and 1.9 million is Northern Ireland, ranking is the second more populous island is in Europe after Great Britain. The geography of Ireland comprises relatively low-lying mountains surrounding in central plain with several navigable rivers extending inland. Its lush vegetation is a product of its marine but changeable climate with the free extreme is temperature. Much of Ireland was woodland until and the Middle Age. Today, woodland makes up about 10% of the Ireland compared with the European average of 33%, with most of it being non-native conifer plantation. The Irish climate is influenced by the Atlantic Ocean and thus very moderate, and the winters are milder than expected for such as Northern area. Although summers are cooler than those in continental Europe, rainfall and cloud over all abundant. Gaelic Ireland had emerged by the 1st century AD. The Iceland was Christian from the 5th century onwards. During this period, Ireland was divided into many petty kingships under provincial kingship 2050 of the tradition province verifying for dominance and the little of High of King Ireland in the late 8th century of early 11th century as breaking rates and statement loop. Place culminating in the Battle of Clonford on the 10th April 1040, which resulted in the ending of Viking power in Ireland following the 12th century Anglo-Norman invasion and land claim sovereignty over English rule did not extend over the whole Iceland until the 16th to 17th century to the conquest, which led to in the 1690 a system of protect English rule. Once determined the mentally disadvantaged the Metropolitan majority and plus Protestants, demonstrants and was extended during the 18th century with the Act of Union in 1801. Ireland became a part of the United Kingdom. A war of independence in the early 20th century was followed by the partition of the Ireland, leading to the creation of the East Five States, which became increasing sovereign over the following decades until declared a republic in 1948, Republic of Ireland Act 1948, and Northern Ireland, which remained a part of the United Kingdom. Northern Ireland saw much civil unrest from the late 1960s until the 1990s. This surprised following the Good Friday Agreement In 1998, in 1973, both the Republic of Ireland and the United Kingdom, with Northern Ireland as part of joint European Economic Community following a referendum won in 2016 in United Kingdom, Northern Ireland included, left the European Union in 2020.